Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Hope everything is well in your career too. Hope all is well at your end. Well, why I'm talking so much about wellness today? The reason being, today on our guest list, we do not have any actor, director, singer, choreographer, but a wellness coach. And what exactly does a wellness coach do? For that, we need to invite Vedantika Puri online and get to know more about her life, her journey, and about being a wellness coach. So let's invite her and get to know more. Well, let's see who's joined. Yes, Vedantika is there. Hello, Shoaib. Hello, RC Janji. And I just hope that Vedantika will soon see us live. Yes, hello. Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I am also good. I can see so much of positivity, and I was just explaining. We spoke about that, and how much that is important because in this lockdown we just keep talking about positive, and how important is that. And I hope we'll talk about that today.
Absolutely.
Yes. So you looking pretty and gorgeous. And first of all,
Thank you. I'm actually dressed up for all you guys and also Ganpati Visarjan. Today is my building's Ganpati Visarjan. So I'm going to finish this live and run down so that I can be a part of it.
Cool, great. So give us just some tips, and then you can go ahead.
Sure, of course, my pleasure.
Okay. So tell me, we have been talking about all this lockdown. We have just spoken about positivity. So what did you do in this lockdown? I'm sure your work must have increased. बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो गया होगा because इतने लोग एक नेगेटिव उसमें जा रहे थे, बहुत सैड हो रहे थे. तो आपने किस तरह से उनको लेकिन उसमें से बाहर निकाला? कैसा गया आपका लॉकडाउन?
So to be honest with you, ये लॉकडाउन आई थिंक बहुत लोगों के लाइफ का बहुत ही बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा है. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन से पहले लोगों की जिंदगी अच्छी थी. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इट वाज फुल ऑफ शिट इवन बिफोर लॉकडाउन. इट जस्ट लॉकडाउन पेनिट्रेटेड द फैक्ट कि आपकी लाइफ कितनी मिजरेबल है. बिकॉज बाहर की दुनिया बंद थी तो आपको अंदर जाना था, और जब लोग अंदर गए तो उन्हें बहुत तकलीफ हुई है.
And it was like a cage,
It was. It was truly like a cage. So for me, I think one thing I'm very happy about is people have gone into introspection. People have gone into understanding what life actually is. What is positive, what is negative, what is mindset, what are the emotions and stuff like that. So I'm very happy with this lockdown. See, I'll tell you one thing. Life is a practice of whatever you do. I am inherently a very content human being. So for me to be positive in the process of life, I would say was a little more easier. So I'm not going to take away that fact from life, but yes, it is a practice that you need to give into every day. It is your focus. कि negative बातें चलती रहेंगी, आपको focus कहाँ करना है. So if you're a person who practices positivity, फिर outside की जो भी circumstances हैं वो आपको इतना affect नहीं करती हैं. आप एक observer बन के देखते हो दुनिया को, आप एक witness बन के देखते हो दुनिया को, and you don't let it come to you. So if people are not being positive because they've not practiced it enough.
Yeah. So see, as you said, I basically understand what you're trying to say. और ये बहुत important है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं, people are not content, in the sense वो अभी जो है उसको enjoy करने की बजाय future का सोचते रहते हैं, उसको ये बोलते रहते, अभी इतना है फिर भी बोलेंगे अरे नहीं हमारे पास नहीं है, we always say ना half glass full and empty, like that. So वो चीजें understand करने के लिए and what exactly this wellness coach is, because this is not actually a new term, but very underrated one, in the sense that wellness coach लोगों को शायद समझ नहीं आता कि wellness coach होता क्या है and what exactly a wellness coach do in your life. So थोड़ा सा आप उसको explain कीजिए please.
So basically, wellness coaches, life coaches are people who help you live a life of balance in your various wellnesses. I am against somewhere the education system because I think it's flawed. इंसान को सिखाया ही नहीं है कि ये हमारी जिंदगी के कितने अहम important aspects है. आपका mental aspect, आपका spiritual, आपका emotional, physical, environmental, social, ये हमारी इस aspect से हमारी जिंदगी बनती है. बट इतना लोगों को नहीं सिखाया जाता है, तो लोगों को लगता है कि वेलनेस कोचिंग और लाइफ कोचिंग इज अ न्यू टर्म, वेयर एज इट इज नॉट। आई मीन अगर आप देखा जाएगा, अगर आप यू नो वी बिलोंग टू इंडिया, इंडिया इज सो रिच इन स्पिरिचुअल साइंस। आप कोई भी स्क्रिप्चर उठा लो, आपको जिंदगी का स्किल सिखाती है, फ्रॉम भगवत गीता टू बाइबल टू कुरान टू बुद्धिज्म, टाओइज्म, कुछ भी अगर आप किसी पे भी कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो तो आपको वो जिंदगी जीने का एक स्किल सिखाती है। सो लाइफ कोचेस बेसिकली हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप मेंटली इल नहीं हो, आपके अनहेल्दी पैटर्न्स हैं थॉट्स के, आपके अनहेल्दी पैटर्न्स हैं बिहेवियर्स के, और आप उनको ब्रेक करके, वो ऑब्स्टिकल्स को हटा के, विनर बन के कैसे लाइफ को मीनिंगफुली जी सकते हो, नॉट जस्ट you know surviving or thriving, but actually being alive and living life.
Because what I believe is that the strongest, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, जो हमारा जो mental state होता है, if we are in good mental state, we can do anything, but if we are in bad state, तो even the physical won't help you. So
I agree.
It is very important to have a healthy mind, than have a healthy body, because if you have a healthy mind, body तो अपने आप बनी जाएगी. But जनरली होता ये है, लाइक इंडिया में, एज यू सेड, कि करिकुलम में ये नहीं बताया जाता है फेलियर्स को कैसे एक्सेप्ट करें, फेलियर्स को एक्सेप्ट करके अपने चैलेंजेस कैसे आप उसको करें, बिकॉज अगर किसी को बहुत इजीली सब कुछ मिला है तो उनको फेलियर एक्सेप्ट करना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो how much would you recommend, like people should actually take help, and when to take help from a wellness coach, कब जरूरत पड़ती है उनको?
आई थिंक अगर आप अपने या तो बहुत पास्ट में जी रहे हो या बहुत फ्यूचर की तरफ जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, आप अपने प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में नहीं हो, आई थिंक वो एक प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी होता है. एंड आई थिंक अ वेलनेस कोच डेफिनेटली टीचेस यू दैट. एंड रही बात अबाउट, एज आई सेड, इट इज अबाउट नोइंग योर पैटर्न्स ऑफ थॉट्स. इफ यू आर लिविंग विद अ हार्ट ब्रेक और अनहेल्दी थॉट for more than 6 months and you think that is making you deteriorate as a person, and आप दूसरे stimulants की तरफ जा रहे हो, as like your drugs or alcohol or too much food or too much workout, anything out of balance, that, and still when you come back home, as you said, mental fit होना बहुत जरूरी है, because हम सबसे ज्यादा वक्त हमारे साथ बिताते हैं, हम हमारी बॉडी में है, हमारे माइंड में है, हम सबसे ज्यादा बात अपने आप से करते हैं. Your thought process is a conversation you have with yourself. So if you think all of that is not taking you towards the right direction and making you process, and you're in a lot of pain, you must seek help. And for me, I get a lot of clients as well as I get a lot of messages. I'm always up for serving whoever needs something. So you can always come to my profile. Otherwise, I would suggest we all have the healing ability in our own selves. आपको बस वो recognize करना है और एक path पे जाना है of personal development, of introspection, के I want to get over this. There are a lot of self-help books. Read, give yourself new perspectives to look at life.
Very true.
So if you want a coach, you don't want a coach, I don't think मुद्दा वो है. मुद्दा वो है कि आप आगे लाइफ में कैसे जा रहे हो.
Right. So basically, so all these things, basically जैसे आपने बोला कि लॉकडाउन में बहुत ज्यादा लोगों ने इंट्रोस्पेक्शन किया, लाइफ को लेके किया, कि what exactly is important, because at point of time when we were all inside, we realized कि कुछ कितनी मिनिमल चीजों से we can be, we can stay happy, like हम घर में भी हैं, जो दाल रोटी जिसे बोलते हैं वो खा के भी we are happy, we could stay, like जरूरी नहीं है we need that luxury or something, very minimalistic things, which we all think should be there, और उसको survive कर सकते हैं, and to live in the present, that's the most important thing. So this,
but Asha, I want to tell you this, that people will only learn this when they have experienced life. And when they generate that understanding on how experience really takes place. जैसे कि happiness is a state of mind. It is not about the car you buy or the things you buy. But till the time people don't experience it ना, उनको बोलना ये waste होता है. तो मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि लोग जिंदगी experience करें. जब वो गिरे तब हम जाके उनको उठा के बोले, hey bro, you got it wrong. This is the way to go about it.
Everybody is there,
everybody is there. I think everybody should experience to know what life is. I think it's a very important unit of life. But once you find that ना कि happiness is nothing but your state of mind. जैसे happiness का definition लोग ज़्यादा नहीं जानते हैं. याद है हमने फोन पे भी ये बात की थी कि पार्टी कर रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं, ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं, मगर अंदर से दे आर डाइंग। बाहर दिखा रहे हैं कि हम कितने खुश हैं, बट खुशियां वो नहीं होती हैं। खुशियां, happiness really means your inner state of peace and well-being that don't depend upon circumstances. हमारी circumstances 10% होते हैं, हमारी खुशियां, हमारा रिएक्शन, हमारा रिस्पॉन्स 90% होता है। तो जब तक वो 90% फिक्स नहीं करेंगे ना, तो वो 10% में हर इंसान फंसा रहता है।
वेरी ट्रू। So, tell me this is a very, I would say in India at least, I've heard about this in foreign countries में बहुत होते हैं ये wellness coach and all that, but India में थोड़ा सा, it's not new, but, थोड़ा कम है. So, how you actually got into this? When did you realize that, this wellness coach, you required to be one of the, wellness coach in India, and ये कब आपकी journey शुरू हुई? कहाँ से शुरू हुई और कैसे हुई?
मेरी जर्नी 2016 में शुरू हुई थी. Me and my girlfriends had gone on a trip to Sri Lanka, and I've always been a very devotional person. मेरे को हमेशा भगवान में विश्वास था. I am born with that understanding. Like there are people who don't get it, there are people who get it, and both cannot explain how and why. And I remember my friends, we were talking about God and angels and stuff like that, and one of my friends told us, there's something called the law of attraction, and when you ask the universe, it gives you what it wants to. And I was like, ye kya cheez hai? So when we came down to Bombay, she bought these books, which was 30-day manifesting. Abraham Hicks की book थी. So three of us, जिसने book लाया वो नहीं कर पाई, but me and my other friend Nikita, we both started the practice, and it was a 30-day practice of chasing what you want. But after those 30 days, I had still continued to do that practice, because उसमें एक बहुत ही clear बात लिखी थी कि अगर आपको जानना है आप इस दुनिया में क्यों आए हो, ask 2 questions: what do you want and why do you want it? Oh, Nikita is on the chat right now.
Oh wow!
What do you want?
Can we say that? Think of the okay, we'll say think of Nikki and Nikki's there.
Think of Nikki and Nikki's there. She's my childhood best friend. We know each other for almost 30 years now.
Oh, cool. Hi, Nikita.
So I got into that practice, and पता है वो year मेरी life का बहुत difficult year रहा है, because personally and professionally I was suffering. Both angles I was suffering, because I was working with somebody who was my companion, and things were not going right for us. But because it was a gym setup, that is one space I learned about what is fitness. Because वहाँ सब 6-pack बनाने के लिए नहीं आते थे. बहुत लोग emotionally drained थे. They had gained weight because they had emotionally eaten their feelings. Some people had mentally lost it. They were not taking care, so they lost a lot of weight. तो मेरी जो भी marketing होती थी ना, that used to literally be like a counseling session. And whenever they would enter the gym, they would want to meet me first, because it would give them that confidence of somebody gets us beyond physical fitness. And I think life is constantly teaching you, constantly
somebody who
giving
can
you
understand basically.
So I picked up on these things, and then I was like, you know what, I want to really get into the reality of what fitness is. It is mental, it is emotional, it is spiritual. And then there was another whole journey, because I was so obsessed with the question of, I want to know what my purpose is, and because I want to live my authentic truth as a human being. And I practiced it for 1 year without making any decisions. I just practiced it because I didn't want to use my mind. I really wanted life to guide me, and I was an observer. So 1 year I had just been an observer to all these messages. And eventually life coaching is what I found at the end of it. So I don't think I have chosen it. I think life coaching has chosen me, and I'm very grateful for it.
Your calling basically. Okay, I want to answer Ankita Nathani's question. Ankita, this chat will be definitely saved. It will be there on my Insta handle, and it will also be there on our Dream Chaser Media Productions YouTube channel. So anytime you want to see or you want to, have a look, you can do it. Okay, so moving forward with Antika, I want to know, as you said, you found your calling in 2016, and from there on, from some other journey, you came here and you are enjoying this path. Definitely. So let's go to another path. जब थोड़ी बचपन की यादों में चलते हैं, और जब आप छोटी थी और जब थोड़ी शरारतें करती थी, तो ऐसी क्या क्या शरारत करती थी जो आपको आज भी याद है? ऐसी प्रॉब्ली अगर आपने शायद निकिता के साथ किया हो, निकिता इज योर लॉन्ग टाइम फ्रेंड, हो सकता है आपने उनके साथ किया हो, किसी के भी साथ, तो कुछ याद है आपको?
मैं कुछ शरारतें बोल सकती हूँ, कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ,
हाँ,
क्योंकि जो
हाँ,
जिसमें जिसमें हम पकड़े
yeah, I
गए
can
मैं वो जरूर
understand.
बताऊंगी, जिसमें हम पकड़े नहीं
Definitely.
गए मैं वो बिल्कुल जिक्र नहीं करूंगी.
बिल्कुल. Okay.
So actually as a kid ना I've always been a very happy person.
Yeah.
मेरा हर एज ग्रुप का फ्रेंड था. अगर मैं
Okay.
10 साल की थी, मेरा 3 साल का भी एक फ्रेंड था, मेरी 6 साल की भी फ्रेंड थी, मेरी 15 साल की भी फ्रेंड थी और 21 साल की भी. मैं सबकी फ्रेंड थी.
Okay. Okay.
So you know we but I was very fearful. तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा संभाल के चीजें करती थी क्योंकि मेरे को डर बहुत था. But there was this one time, I know I was 10 years old and हमारी बिल्डिंग के जो एल्डर जनरेशन थी और जैसे कि हमारे जो भैयाज और भाभी टाइप जो होते हैं, उन्होंने मुझे और मेरे फ्रेंड्स को टायर पंचर करना सिखाया था.
अच्छा, ये सिखाया गया आपको?
सिखाया कि देखो टायर ऐसे पंचर होता है, और वो लोग माचिस की तीली लेके टायर को पंचर करते थे. हम बड़े खुश हो जाते थे कि ओ माय गॉड दिस इज क्रेजी फन. और एक बार क्या हुआ, हम लोग we were so unconscious, right? As kids, we were just having fun.
It's like नहीं तो वो क्यों करते थे बेचारों की टायर का पंचर? लाइक कोई गलत
बात, हमें मजे आते थे कि थोड़ी तकलीफ किसी हो जाए या कोई थोड़ा चिल्लाए कि ओ शिट हमारे टायर पंचर है, हमें लगता था कि हमने क्या कमाल काम किया है.
तो आप दूर से देखते थे या पास जाके पूछते थे कि अरे यार क्या हो गया? ये भी होता है, ऐसे भी लोग एक्ट करते, खुद ही करके बोलते हैं क्या हो गया यार?
दूर से हम लोग टायर पंचर करके निकल जाते थे और हमारा संडे टू संडे ये प्लान रहता था. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, बिल्डिंग में कुछ इमरजेंसी हो गई और किसी की गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई बिकॉज उनकी टायर पंचर था. And coincidentally, I would not call it coincident, I would call it synchronicity of the universe. एक वॉचमैन ने हमको पकड़ लिया. He has gone and intercom the whole building. So the whole building, I live in a 17-story building, 6 flats per floor. So we were 105 flats के लोग नीचे उतरे थे. And everybody started their car and checked. We, without even realizing, had punctured 50 cars.
Oh my God!
And we were a group of 12 people. And उस दिन जो हमें मारे पड़ी है हमारे पेरेंट्स से. मेरी एक फ्रेंड, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, वो शैम्पू कर रही थी अपने बाल, उसकी मॉम उसको बाथरूम से ड्रैग करके लाई थी, उसके बाल में शैम्पू भी था और हमको उसको देख के हंसी आ रही है. हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें मार रहे हैं, हमें रोना आ रहा है. इट वाज अ वेरी गॉड क्रेजी. वो मुझे याद है कि मैंने ऐसी एक हरकत की हुई है अपनी लाइफ में.
तो उसके बाद पंचर किया या बंद कर दिया? उसके बाद
बंद कर दिया. इतना डर गए थे हमको रियलाइज हुआ कि यार किसी की अगर इमरजेंसी हो, मेडिकल इमरजेंसी हो, हम तो मजे ले रहे हैं टायर पंचर करके. सो स्टूपिड.
वो जो बोलते हैं ना, द थ्रिल, द किक, वो कुछ ऐसे करने से ही मिलता है जो शायद सही नहीं होता है. तो गलत चीज करने में किक ज्यादा मिलता है. आई थिंक द डेविल इन फैक्ट.
Asha, why do you think I am a life coach in my 30s? I have made so many mistakes. It is amazing. In fact, मेरे पापा ने मुझे ये सिखाया है, पता है. मेरा फर्स्ट जो बॉयफ्रेंड था उससे मैं बहुत हार्ट ब्रोकन थी. और हम लोग का ऐसा फेज आ गया था कि ब्रेकअप पैचअप, राइट? लाइक व्हेन यू आर यंग, यू डोंट नो यू कैन लेट गो, यू डोंट नो द स्किल टू लेट गो. तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे एक बार बताया था कि बेटा इस दुनिया में बहुत मिस्टेक्स हैं कमिट करने को. डोंट मेक द सेम मिस्टेक
अगेन. यस.
सो सिंस देन आई हैव बीन मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू मिस्टेक्स.
Cool. So tell me, आप जैसे बता रहे हैं, I'm very sure, in this 4 years of your being a wellness coach, you must have gone through, a lot of people must have come you as a client. And जब client है तो एक कोई interesting case बताइए आप, जहाँ पे कुछ केस ऐसा हो और पूरा drastic change आ गया हो अब उस client में. Any case that you remember, somebody's life that you changed?
Honestly speaking, I feel I have been extremely fortunate in my profession. I feel I work hand in hand with an intelligence that flows through me. I don't mean to brag, but I don't think I have had an unsuccessful case till today. And I'm very honest. I'm very
talking about the
honest.
successful one. I'm talking about the successful
Successful?
one. Yeah.
हाँ,
I'm talking
so
about the one
for
where
me,
somebody
I
was
think ऐसा मतलब there have been so many cases
See,
because
one case,
and
okay,
I'm very honest also.
I'll tell you one more time. What I'm asking is one case where the person was very negative and you changed that person's life completely.
Yeah, there are a lot of cases like that. That's
हाँ.
what I'm trying to say कि ऐसे बहुत cases आए हैं. मैं किसी एक का नाम I don't think ले सकती हूँ, but 90% of the times, see, it is also your willingness to change.
Yeah. But कोई ऐसा case like probably generally what kind of clients do you get that people who मतलब किसमें ज्यादा लोगों को परेशानी होती है? करियर में फेल होते हैं तो होता है या लव में होता है या like obviously these are the two factors. Yeah. So these are the main
especially
two factors.
heartbreaks. I don't think people can get over heartbreaks. But ऐसा कौन सा केस है मैं पता नहीं बता पाऊँ कि नहीं जैसे कि कितने लोग are suicidal. Now there are different levels to that. I know I'm not a psychiatrist, तो मैं वो cases लेती नहीं हूँ. मैं उनको बोलती हूँ very honestly, go there. There are rape cases unfortunately that have come, but I know they need much more psychologists and psychiatrists. But मेरे life में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं. I remember एक इंसान ने मुझे जो मेरे को हमेशा याद रहता है कि the person told me I have started believing in the universe because of you. That person was so non-believer to a different degree. And मैं हाल में कैसी हूँ? I don't try and change anybody. That is everybody's solo journey. I will guide. बाकी आपका है. आपकी अगर जागने का टाइम है या आपकी अभी भी सोने का टाइम है, वो सब लिखा हुआ है.
लिखा हुआ है, right.
तो वो मुझे एक बात हमेशा बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि किसी को वहाँ विश्वास हुआ जब विश्वास होना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में.
So, I also want to know because this, profession is also challenging in the sense that, there must be, obviously, all the people who are negative in their life, must be coming to you. और कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई आता है, और अपनी negativity जब सुनाने लगता है तो you feel like, oh my God, this person, इसको कैसे मैं, like होता है ना, you get that, negativity and, and the person is not ready to listen. ऐसा भी कभी हुआ है कि इंसान सुनने को ही तैयार नहीं है, अपना ही बोले जा रहा है and, you have to do something else. हुआ है.
Because बहुत complainers हैं. I meet a lot of complainers and मैं बहुत assertive हूँ in a lot of ways. Like I'm happy, I'm chill, but when it comes to really changing your life, मैं शायद 2-3 बार आपकी complaint सुनूंगी. But अगर आप 4th time same चीज बोल रहे हो ना, तो मैं इंसान को बोलती हूँ, don't waste your money because you're not ready to change. It's precious money या तो आपके माँ बाप का है या आप value नहीं कर रहे हो. Yeah, please. If you want to pay to complain, I'm not your garbage bin. I'm not a glorified dustbin कि आप अपनी सारी problems डालो. तो मैं उनको बहुत seriously खुद छोड़ देती हूँ या बोल देती हूँ कि it's maybe it will not work out between us. And ऐसे तो बहुत negative लोग मिलते हैं, but again that is something you have to learn to deal with. I of course, life is a journey. I was not sitting with all skills. I learn every day with the people I meet. तो एक चीज बहुत important है जब आप किसी की मदद कर रहे होते हो. It's not just like as a life coach, but even you or any of your friends. Witness the problem. Observe the problem. Don't make it your own. That's when you will not feel drained. Initially, सबकी problems बना लेती थी.
Exactly. So tell me one thing, like, as people must be who are watching this show or, who will be watching this show in future, like, if they want to know that how much they have to spend, like, for example, if they want to come and consult you, so how much is the charge for a wellness, coach?
So my consultation is 1,000 rupees and my sessions is 2,000 rupees per session. And I always design the session package depending upon how many sessions does my client need. It's not necessary सबको ही 3 sessions या 2 sessions चाहिए होता है. कभी लोगों को 1 session 1 महीने में जरूरत होती है, which is more than enough. But honestly, I am very flexible with pricing because I believe कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो, because I know who my provider is and I don't depend on human beings for that because we are all his creations. कोई मुझे कुछ दे नहीं सकता, देने वाला वही है, तो मुझे सब चीजों में इतना नहीं है. And there are people who paid me a lot more for my sessions, because they're happy and they want to contribute. हाँ,
Because see, that's what I'm saying. You know, when happiness is a state of mind, and when you are in the right state, you know, तो आप जब दिल खुश होता है, you know, दिमाग दिल सब खुश हो जाता है. So you know, you don't mind anything. You know, you are like happy, and वो state ही अलग होता है. उस state में, you know, you want to live life, you want to do a lot of things, try new things and all that things. और उस stage पे आना बहुत जरूरी है. उस stage पे, I think we all should try to be in that stage. So tell me,
मैं सबको बोलती हूँ कि भगवान ने 2 टाइप की अमीरियत बनाई है. You know, 2 types of richness. One is the things you can buy with money.
Yes.
Other you cannot buy with money.
Yes.
The work to that is very different. तुम
Right.
बिलियनर्स हो सकते हो, बट तुम कोई स्टोर में जाके इनर पीस नहीं खरीद सकते,
नहीं
नहीं खरीद सकते. वो डिजायर ही डिजायर, वो एक बात है. और एक बात है कि आप अंडरस्टैंड करते हो कि ये एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं क्या, एंड अपने अंदर we all feel jealous, we all feel insecure, we all feel bad. We are humans, we are born to experience all
have these emotions.
But process करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So लोगों को, they need to know the difference between both these richnesses and work on both. I'm not saying don't have money, don't have luxuries. Enjoy your life. You know, it's a material world. But
so you know what I want to ask you is, like, you know, as you said, you know, the curriculum, Indian curriculum doesn't have this. Do you have any plans that, you know, to basically make this at least a part of, you know, probably not even like maybe, you know, saying that, you know, going into the CBSE would be like too much, maybe right now, but then, you know, maybe in the corporate sector where, you know, people have their stress about, you know, work and, you know, lot of work and all that. So, you know, do you plan about that in future? ऐसा कुछ सोच रही हैं आप?
So I honestly, for me as a person, I have a vision. I have a vision for myself, and I feel goals can keep changing. But I really wish that school curriculums start making children understand what is meditation, what is all this, because it's easier, because हमारा जो भी हमारे problems है ना, वो हमारा childhood के psychological makeup से बनता है, और हम adults होके वहाँ से react करते हैं. So I would love, if God give me an opportunity to bring that change, I would. But if you ask me, my dream is to have a healing center somewhere in the interior of India. I know, help people, guide them towards mind and emotional wellness, but I want to study flower remedies, and I want to help people heal even their bodies. You know, so one day in life, let's see, in the later stages of my life, that's what I want. So I want to have a healing center. I would love to bring about a change in the educational curriculum and have children, at least in my country, understand what spirituality and understanding of what it is.
See, already, you know, like your fan named Ankit is saying, Vedantika ma'am, your video helped me to be to see the situation in a positive way. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Yeah, so you know, one message that you want to give your fans, your followers, because you know people would like they are waiting for that. You know, one thing that you want to say to them.
I just want to tell you all that हम जिस एरा में जी रहे हैं और हम जिस स्पीड में जी रहे हैं, लोगों को लगता है कि तरक्की only comes in motion and movement and, you know, chattering and going on. But when you go on the opposite side, which is stillness, आपको आपकी जिंदगी का हर आंसर वहां मिलता है. So learn to take breaks, learn to stop, you know, learn to understand life from a silence perspective, because that stillness is very rich as a space. So don't go crazy running, and even if you're running, know where you're running. Otherwise, this rat race is making you run, you don't even know where you're running.
Yeah, very true.
So know the speed of your life, give into spiritual practices. I know a lot of people don't believe in God, don't believe in all these things. They say आंखों से नहीं दिख रहा है मतलब है ही नहीं. But जो आंखों से भी दिखता है वो necessarily सच नहीं हो, because एक
लॉकडाउन ने
बहुत ही अलग जिंदगी जीती है.
People are more, लॉकडाउन ने थोड़ा चेंज किया. People are more spiritual now, more than religious.
I hope so, guys. I hope so.
Yeah. So, you know, that's what, and you know, that's what I'm saying, you know, whatever your vision is, we just respect your vision, and we want that, you know, ये जो आप जो एक positivity फैला रही हैं, and you know, इसको आप जारी रखिए, and you know, people are also agreeing that, you know, you should have a future, जिसे बोलते हैं healing center somewhere in India, and we hope that, you know, you do well in so, you know, that's what, you know, I also want that, you know, there should be some change in the curriculum. I hope somebody from the CBSE, ICSE, NCERT is listening to to us, and they do something like this. I think yoga has started, people like, a lot of schools have started yoga, and I do see that, probably in future we'll start some, meditation centers also in school, and I hope that, that will happen. Jaldi hoga, kuch na kuch to aayega. Keep hoping, aashawadi rahiye, as I always say. So thank you so much, Vedantika. You know, Vedantika, can you hear me? Yes, there were some internet issues. So Vedantika, thank you so much for coming online. We wish you all the luck for your future projects and, whatever you want to say. And meditation, do you think I can give a shot? Well, everybody can give a shot. So I answered on
It's
your
for
behalf.
every
I
human
think
being.
meditation anybody can do, but yeah. Yeah. So, so now, thank you so much. Again, I'm saying that, and you go and do your puja, which is, you're waiting. People must be waiting for you. And thank you so much again. Thank you so much again for coming online, and keep keep spreading positivity. Bye bye. Have a great evening. Vedantika, I think your internet. I think your internet. Anything. I cannot. Okay, chalo. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye bye.